Hello everyone, my dear friends, my dear young friends, my dear students, respected parents, and all my senior colleagues. I welcome all of you once again to the penultimate session of this academic session's e-summer course. My name, as you all know, is Vidyasagar Mund. I generally mentor my students for the subject English. Well, today we have a very special session, and this special session will, of course, take care of a little bit of learning, but it is not going to take care of anything with the subject proper English. All right? Although we will be speaking in English, and as I always usually do, I'll use a little bit of a Hindi for the ease of everyone involved, but at the same time, I can tell you very clearly that we are not learning English today. All right? Okay. Now, first of all, I feel a little bit out of place when I ask you this question. How has summer course been? Well, this is not exactly a to and fro interactive session or a platform wherein probably I can shoot the questions and you can shoot back the answers at me. But then, having said so, you can also drop me comments in the WhatsApp chat to let me know as to how you felt during the summer course. What were your experiences? Good, bad, not so good, don't want to tell, stuff like that. Okay? But at the same time, I would, on a serious note, I would really love to know about your experiences, individual and collective, both, as learners, as students, because that is going to help us. And when I say us, I'm talking about the Pragati group of institutions as an academic family or an educational family. It will help us to build our curriculum, to renovate, to revamp, to plug the loopholes wherever they might be, and at the same time to help us become better as educationists. So, my dear students, respected parents, please feel free to drop in your inputs, your insights as to how should we go about bettering our methods, our pedagogy, and at the same time our approach to students. Please understand this, that this is going to be I would like to say a roller coaster of a ride in the next year and this academic session as well. Two reasons go into it precisely. One, the unprecedented circumstances and the times that we are all in right now. Because of the COVID virus, all of us are locked in at our homes. Having said so, like they say that in English there is a very famous adage. They say, and it is one of my favorites. They say in English, you only really truly understand how to live when you start living on the edge, and that's correct. When you are faced with problems, when you are faced with adversities in life, it is only then that our character, our individuality, and our persona is tested. And only when we are tested mentally, physically, spiritually, and even psychologically, only then do we realize how strong or weak we are. I would not like to talk about the weak aspect right now because all of us are young, all of us love challenges in life, and I'm certain, if not sure, that we are going to beat the odds, beat the challenges in the coming future. My dear friends, please understand this, that all of us, as your teachers, your mentors, your guides, your parents, we would show you, we would try to guide you as to what is good, what is not so good, what is the right path, what to do, what not to do in life. But it is you who is going to walk the path. It is you who is going to put things into practice. It is you who is going to experience the things probably which we have already experienced. So, my dear young friends, pull up your socks, buckle up, because let's call a spade right at the outset. Life is anything but a bed of roses. It is anything but a cakewalk. It is anything but a walk in the park. My dear friends, It is not a cakewalk. It is not a bed of roses. And it is absolutely not going to be anything but a walk in the park. It is tough. It is difficult. But having said so, let me tell you from my own experience, whatever I have had in life, it is not that bad either. It is really good. Like they say, life is beautiful. My dear young friends, I have always harped on one thing. I have always reiterated a very particular value of life. I would not like to call it a learning. I would like to call it a value because it is a way of life. And that is consistency, practice. To put consistency and practice into a single word, it becomes discipline. And what is discipline? Discipline is knowing what to do, doing it, and doing it every day without fail. These are the only three things that you need to keep in mind: knowing what to do, doing it, and doing it every day without fail positively. Alright? If we do this, if all of us do this, the world would be a far better place than now it is. Alright? And please tell yourself that even this will pass away. We will be faced with difficulties. We will be faced with adversities. We will have problems in life. Who doesn't? Please understand. If we get rewards, or as and when we get rewards, as and when we get awards, we do not go around, sharing the same reward, sharing the same award with everyone. Of course, we celebrate, but that doesn't mean that we share the reward or share the award with everyone. Now, when we are faced with adversity, when we are faced with problems, why is it that we keep a sad face, a sullen face, we keep crying, we keep cursing ourselves? My dear young friends, in the times of adversities, ones who tell themselves that alright, even this will pass away, they are the ones who always cross the bridge. They are the ones who always go beyond barriers. Friends, I welcome all of you to this journey of learning, success, achievements, and most importantly, excellence in life. May I request and urge upon every single one of you to share, to care, and at the same time, to respect discipline in life. Having said so, we as teachers, we as guides, we as faculties, we have tried to have an interaction with every one of you on a one-to-one basis, on an individual basis. I have personally tried to call up a few of you. Pardon me if I have not been able to reach to every single one of you personally over phone, but at the same time, may I tell this to you, I am always available. You are free to give me a call. You can drop me a text. You can message me over WhatsApp. Please feel free to let us know if there are any problems that you face, not just in your academic part, but in any other part that you feel that you should be sharing with us. Today in the morning, our Honorable Chairperson Shri Ajay Panda sir, respected academic head Shri Vishwajit Mahanti sir, both of them, I am certain, have shared their share of love, affection, and learning with you. Please do take care of that learning, love, and affection. Most importantly, ज़रा सा हिंदी में बात करूँगा यहाँ. ये हमेशा स्मरण रखना, ये हमेशा याद रखना कि हम सब एक फैमिली की तरह इसलिए है यहाँ, खास करके प्रगति में, क्योंकि हम सब लोग अपनी परेशानियाँ और अपनी खुशी दोनों के दोनों एक साथ बांटते हैं. अगर आप किसी बच्चे से भी पूछें तो ये आपसे वो ज़रूर कहेगा कि हाँ सर डांटते हैं, कभी कभार फटकार भी लगाते हैं, ये भी होगी, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं होगी, बट एट द सेम टाइम दे विल ऑल्सो शेयर विद यू. आई एम सर्टन दे आर गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू, योर सीनियर्स, कि हम लोगों ने हमेशा कोशिश किया है कि उनकी कोई भी दुविधा हो, कोई भी परेशानी हो, कम से कम उनके साथ खड़े रहें, भले ही उसका सल्यूशन निकाल करके दें या ना दें। क्यों? बिकॉज लाइक आई ऑलवेज टेल माई स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास, I cannot promise you that I'm going to find a solution to every problem that you have, because I'm a human being. I can't do that. But yes, I can promise you one thing: I will not let you stand alone in the face of adversities. I'm not going to let go. I will never let go. So dear young friends, if I have been able to bring about, or what is it called, how do I say, I have been able to tickle that urge, tickle that sense of learning, of success, of achievement, of excellence in any of you, even in one of you, I believe I have succeeded. I believe I have achieved in life. Well, none of us are able to have face each other physically one-on-one, but I believe, God bless, we are going to have that very soon. Those of you who have already taken the admissions, a warm welcome on behalf of Pragati Group of Institutions. Those of you who have not a problem at all, but at the same time, please do take admissions, because I feel the more the merrier. सीधी बात है, जितने ज़्यादा रहेंगे उतना अच्छा लगेगा, है ना? And yes, keep one thing in mind. Do follow the procedure told to you, shared with you by respected academic heads Mahanti sir. जो भी 4 या 5 प्रोसेस आपको दिए गए हैं, वो प्रोसेस को ज़रा फॉलो करें। कोई भी परेशानी हो, हम में से किसी को भी आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, मैसेज कर सकते हैं, टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं, फील फ्री। और जो भी आपके इनपुट्स हों, जो भी आपके फीडबैक हों, कृपा करके हमारे साथ बांटें, शेयर करें। ठीक? एट लेंथ आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू वन थिंग बिफोर लीविंग यू एंड कंग्रेचुलेटिंग यू वंस अगेन फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द ई-समर कोर्स सक्सेसफुली. And that is, my dear young friends, dear students, dear kids, please remember this: character is who you are and what you do when no one is watching you. ये हमेशा याद रखना कि चरित्र वही है जो आप हो जब कोई आपके ऊपर निगरानी नहीं रखता. जब कोई निगरानी रखता है, हम जो हैं, हम जो कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा चरित्र नहीं. जब हम अकेले हों और कोई हमें नहीं देख रहा हो, कोई निगरानी न रख रहा हो, तब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा असल चरित्र है. ठीक? आई होप यू हैव एन्जॉयड, यू हैव लर्नड, यू हैव हैड फन एंड यू लाइक दिस एक्सपीरियंस. अवेटिंग टू सून meet all of you, awaiting to have and make many adventures of our own in the future. Till then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe, ciao. Thank you.